Hello, my condoritos. It's kind of a different video today. So I'm driving to a street that I wanted to do a night run, like night speed run, and a special car today. Because I wanted a car that can resist. So I selected the Mojave today because I installed a bar light to the Mojave, so I needed a car that, you know, could resist and light up the road. So I selected the Mojave. Hopefully you guys are going to enjoy. It's the first time I'm actually going to record a video at nighttime. I don't know about that because I like the lights and like, you know, a lighting condition for the resolution, but you know, I think it's another way to appreciate my work. So thank you all. Let's get it done, guys. We are recording right now. It's going a little bit to the right. Let's adjust. That car is really an animal, guys. There you go. Full throttle, guys. It's really impressive. More time, guys. Let's see what we got so far. Let's see what we got so far, guys. All right, guys, let's see what we got so far. Oh Jesus, I didn't. Oh my God, track start. All right. Here we go, guys. All right, guys. Here we go, guys. All right, guys. All right, guys, let's see if we can have a reading here and read 58 miles per hour, and I got 60 before, so track start. Here we go again, guys. more time, guys. Let's see what we got. And read 58. 58 is the number. But now we're gonna do some.
watching through to the very end. I truly appreciate the time you spent. You stayed all the way, that means a lot to me. From the bottom of my heart, I'm glad you're here with me. I appreciate your time. RC cars for life.